In our last video we did the registration part. In this video we are going to teach about the sign up part. The sign in part, so we have a login sign in. So login credential, so we have put it there, we have created the routes for the admin login, admin check. We have created the routes. The same routes I'm going to create here as the login as well. User login as well. It's a user login, user check. So here also we have to create this one, user login controller. So this one should be the user login, user check. Okay, this is the admin part, this is the user part. That's what we have to do it. Okay, these are things we are doing. Right, so this one, okay, these are things we have to do it. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, when the page is coming, it's admin login. So admin page is open, normal ordinary login, ordinary page is open. Okay, that's the thing you have to do it. So now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to do the thing is, okay, now I'm going to do the thing is, here when the page is open, first you have to check it. Okay, so the page, we have to go to, we already designed the page, go to the respective page of that. Here the page, this page first, the same thing we are doing here. The form we have the login, so login. The form also we have the admin login link. So there's a form, this is a form action. So just copy this CSRF token feed. This one we need them. We have to put it here. So here is a form. It's going to check the this is the admin part. Admin check. Okay, it's admin check. So we have to do the attributes. This is the email and password. This is the email and password. So you see the here this is an ID, email, the type email, name also, name attribute is going to check there. So name also here is the email. This is very must. Okay, right, email. What is the password? The email type email, the name attribute. This is a password. You have to copy this. Here there's a password. Password. Remember me, I just get rid of this line. Okay, the registration, okay, we have a register. Okay. Now let's check it. This is not a login, this is the admin login. You can login, admin login, you can see the login. So here, what I'm going to do is, we have a register link. This is instead of the register link, sorry, login, here's a login. So button, so the button, so here we have to make it as this one as a submit. You have changed the type as submit, then only it goes. So when you type the use the email and password, it goes to click submit button. It goes to the admin controller section check. So go to the routes section. You have to put it like this: admin controller check. Here. Okay, it goes to admin login controller, admin check. It go to the admin controller, login controller. The method admin check. Retrieve the data, email and password. Here it will be check the validation. If the user is admin, it will be redirected to admin dashboard. Otherwise, it will be working. So here we have to this one. We have to make it this one as a this one. We have to change this one as later on. Session and all. If it is coming successfully, you have to return the message return. Success. Let's check it. Arun, who's admin? John is admin user. Wait, login. Why it's not working? Okay, I haven't saved it. Okay, it's success. It's working. Here you can see it's working success. It's working success. It's working successfully. We have done the things. Okay, we are working successfully. It's working successfully. Right? It's working successfully. We have done the things. Right? So after that, what we are going to do, we have to the success message is coming like good. Now we have the same thing. I'm going to go to do the login section as well. Login also well. The login also we have to check it. Ordinary login part. Here also the same admin login. I just control C to copy admin login. The same page I just control C to copy this, control V to paste here and copy. I only need to change the thing is button. All things are changed. I want only the thing changed. This one should be the not admin. This is the user. This is a user check. Not an admin check. This is a user check. That's only the thing we have to check it. User check. Okay, so here you already defined the routes and all. Okay, user check. It goes to the sorry. Where's this? Okay, here this one should be the user check. What's the user? What I put it here? It's just check. I just put check. Okay, let's find the login. Roby@ram.com 123. It's working. Yeah, it's goes to that particular dashboard. It's working. So that dashboard is we are not doing. Okay, we at the moment. So here it's working. Yeah, it's goes to that respective dashboard. At the moment we don't have a dashboard, so that it's working. It's fine. So login and registration part we almost completed the things. Okay, so we have understand that. So how to make the admin user and ordinary user, how to collaborate those and involve the system. Okay, these are all the things we have done it. So the session part we are doing the along with the dashboard. Okay, I will be continuing my next video tutorial. Thank you.